First of all, you have to go in departure for history date range. Then you have to put the date from to date. From date, like I want from 16 till today, 16 October till 30th October. Then run the report. You have to wait until download all. So once download the report, then you have to download it, open the file. This is our file what we download last 15 days late checkout report. Then open it. Yeah, it's open already here. Then you have to which is not required, you can delete it, like location, gender, these all not required, you can delete it. You can delete here team also not required, so you can delete team. You can delete department code and shift also, no need. Then you have to arrange it as column, these are just arrange it all. Okay, then first of all you have to delete thous. Sorry, alhamdulillah. Renaissance you have to delete it because Renaissance not required, EP is not paying Renaissance. Okay, then you have to add one column after arrival date and time, then one more column after departure date and time. Okay, then you have to select arrival date all, from here to all down select it. Then go to data, this is data. Then you will go column to text to columns. There is one data tools here, there is data tools text to column. Click here. When you click, it will come, this page will appear. Then you have to click down one, fixed width, fixed width, you have to click here. Then put here next. There is finish, cancel or next, so then you have to click next. If you click next, then you will see here there is one line is coming from down till here. Then this line you have to arrange it because we want to separate date and we want to separate time. So this you have to arrange it. You just make little sure here. So you have to just arrange your date and time. See, all date is separate, this is date and this is time, so it will come separate now. See, all from down till everything will come like. So you have to arrange it like okay. Then next. Okay, now you will see here the arrival date and this one is, it will separate two column, it will go. Then finish, next, two time click next, then finish it, it will separate. Click OK, it will go separate now. Date and time is separate now. Then you have to write arrival date and arrival time. Here you have to change it. So this is arrival date and this is time, all here time. Same thing you have to do departure date and time. Then click here data, go to next text to columns, click here, then you have to go fixed width, then you have to click next column. Okay, if you click next column, here also you have to check everything, date will be separate and everything, so you have to check one and down one by one. It's all separate. Do not mix both date and separate, otherwise you cannot do. So all is separate already. Then two time click next, then finish it, then OK, it will separate. Now departure date and departure time. Okay, clear all? Then you have to sort it out. Go to data, sort it with the departure time. What time they depart from here, what time they check out. So first you have to sort out with departure and departure time. So if they check out early morning before 11 o'clock, delete all that report. All that, those guys who check out early morning before 11, delete it. It's delete. Then again you have to go data, sort it with the arrival time. There is arrival time, we segregate before, now is for this reason we are segregating. So now you have to sort it out with arrival time. So who checked in early morning before 1:30, we cannot delete, and who check out after 1:30, that one we have to delete. But who who check in after 1:30, that one we have to delete. But suppose some guys they check in after 1:30 but they check out in the night, so that one you don't delete. So you have to check the time. Then you have to, this one hide, departed date hide. Then you have to go here 1:30, check who check in 1:30 after 1:30 and check when he check out. Suppose these guys they check out after 12 before 5 o'clock if they check out, so make them delete all this list. So all go down everyone, nobody here in this list check out after 5 o'clock. If they check out after 5 o'clock, we don't delete, because they take 3 meal plus 1 meal that day. So and if they are checking out after 5 or 9 o'clock, so they are not coming in our POB. So that's why we will keep that one. So delete these all. Now is these all guys who take one extra meal. So this is, then sort it out with the departure date, and that's it. End of the story. This one you have to send to housekeeping. Save it. Then you have to save this file. Save as a Excel book. CSV. Don't save here. You have to change it Excel workbook. Late checkout. Late checkout opt. That's it. Thank you.